Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new introducing a new tool that I have bought for myself. I've been crocheting for years. I am 56 and I've been crocheting since I was 10. And I was doing a tutorial and someone said, why don't you use those blockers? Okay, I never used a blocker. I would just wet it and wet block it and then go from there. So I said to myself, oh my God, Timu is the best place to buy these. I bought these like months ago. I'm opening them just in front of you. It's been months. Did not have the chance to figure out what it is. Okay, so it's not that expensive. I believe $20 I paid, not that much, because these are pretty expensive. Maybe it's less, I don't know. I have to go back and check. Let me just put these back in the bag. Okay, so I have done a tutorial on how to crochet heart granny square. It's been sitting here for years. Here it is. Oh, this is pretty big. So I have like tons and tons of crocheted, and I put it aside. It's sitting there with cotton yarn I use, but this is pretty big. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what I can do. So I'm planning to make a cardigan with this. It's beautiful, beautiful cotton yarn. The yarn, this is from Michael's Caron Cotton Cake. I hoarded like tons and tons of this. And then I bought this from Ice Yarn. Here it is. Oh, there's a label. I bought too many. Yeah, here's the code if they're selling. It's organic baby cotton. So it is pretty nice. And it worked. This one was a little bit thinner than this one, but it worked. So let me just do the trick, because I have never done it. That's the thing. Yeah, I should have bought a bigger one. I don't know if they have a bigger one, but I'll just try to work with these. I am planning, I've been working on decluttering, and I have tons and tons of stuff. Oh my goodness, like I have these IKEA cubicles and these containers. Oh my goodness. I'm sure these are going to easily break. I didn't even do a review about this. Oh, it's not even going in. Great. Perfect. Oh, okay, it does go in. Okay. I think I need to press it. If I press it too hard, what's going to happen is it will break easily. Yeah, it's not that. This wood is good, but okay, hopefully. Let's see. Forgot to get a water bottle here to wet these. Let's see what I can do. So I'll put it here. Just wanted to show, if you don't want, like me, never thought about it. Yeah, the motifs are pretty big, so let's go in here. And then, so what happens is this stretches. Oh. And, where is my, here, let me just use this. Oh, wow. I think it's way better than before, huh? See? Even, like, I do a pretty good job crocheting. So what I'll do is yeah, it fixes right away. this is pretty big. The motifs are pretty big, so I am planning to make a cardigan. They're like 6.5 to 6.5. Think about it. So I have plenty of motifs to make a cardigan. So stay tuned for that. I will make another video to show you how I add them up, put them, and then I'll do it at the backyard, but it's raining again. It's been raining nonstop. As soon as I go out, it starts to rain. So this is just a review on for me to show you how you can use it. It's very simple, actually. I don't know why all these years I haven't bought this. I thought it was a waste of money. Let me see if I can find it. If I can go to orders and click in blocker, maybe. Let's see if it's gonna pop up. Yeah, this is gonna be hard to find because I bought this like months and months ago. Oh wow. Let me go to orders. I'm just trying to let me see. Crochet blocker, I guess. Is that what's it called? Blocking board. Crochet blocking board. So $10 I paid, not much. No, I think they have different, and then they have different ones as well. I'll just need to figure out, because they didn't have many varieties when I bought it. It was only one kind, but it looks like they have metal sticks like this, and then they have, it says 7.8 inches, so it's not that big. There's a $50 one. See, I feel that this is too, and it's that one is at 15 inches wide and long. This will do the job. Yeah, definitely. I think it will do the job. I'm putting on the bottom. See, yeah, this isn't good. Here we go. So it's stretching and it blocks automatically. Oh well. Yeah, so this is all to it. I hope you like this info, just to give you an idea on how you can block your crocheted motifs. I have like tons here. I have to count these and figure it out. So stay tuned for that video. I will come back and we will put these together to make a cardigan. You guys take care. Happy crafting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. This one looks a little bit crooked. Let's see. Oh, nice. See? Oh, I really like it. better to finish these whips and then put them aside. I don't know if I have enough, but if I need to make more, I still have enough yarn. I have 2 bags that I haven't opened, and you guys take care. Bye-bye.